solution that name is JAL. This is a saloon management solution which I am going to show you. This is a dashboard. Here you can check weekly booking, total booking, weekly users or total users data. After that we have a recent bookings which we can check here. After that we can check registered clients data here. Here you can check name, email, and if you want to edit, then you can edit. After that we have a setting. Here you can check settings option. If you want to change or update logo, other things, then you can. After that we have a theme. So here you can manage theme. After that bookings. So all booking will come here and you can check and update. Booking come from front end. Front end is here. Here you can check. Your user can easily register yourself or they can book. Okay, so here you can select other things like select first option, then adult, yeah, children, how much children have, date and timing, and it's done. Then you can do, so see these the agent details which we can check, select, and then it will done. Let me show you just seconds. See, so here you can change that option. Here you want to register or log in once, then you can. Okay, so this is the backend again. Here you can add your services. See, service name, service agent, description, price, and duration. If you want to add any service, then you can add services as well. Okay, this option is here. Here you can add services. Here you can check all agent data. Here you can check name, description, experience, total booking, and actions. If you want to edit, delete, then you can do. If you want to add, then you can add. After that we have a contact setting. So here you can update these things here. After that we have a blog post. So here you can easily update blog. So it will show here. After that we have a, if you want to add, then you can add as well. Here you can social login, so you can log in with Google, log in with Facebook. These options are already there. Okay, after that we have some pages settings which you can check, you can update as well. Analyze settings which we have. With these you need just add Google Analyze, then it will work. After that meta tags which you can manage here. Then we have email settings. Here you can change or you can update. SMTP, we already integrated SMTP. You just need to add your SMTP key, it will work. After that we have a comment section, so you can manage reCAPTCHA settings which we have. So here you can manage reCAPTCHA. After that ad settings, so you can run ads on your front end, bottom image or top image. This is your account, so you can check, you can update your password as well. After that these are client data which you can check or edit, delete. After that we have all payment options, so you can find out all our payment data here, all service and payments which you will come here. After that Stripe settings, we already integrated Stripe for payment gateway which you can use easily. Okay, so in this all details are there. For other things you can we can show you live as well. Okay, see, these are some updates and these are front end. Let me show you again. So if you have any query, then you can ask. This is front end. See, this is our services gallery, get in touch, and some live location or live map where we are providing our services. So this is a complete demo. If you require any help, then we can connect. Thank you.